Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Helena Fergum. In this tutorial I will explain the difference between popcorn, bubble and puff stitches. First I'm going to create a popcorn stitch and going to work 5 times treble crochet UK turns, so 5 times double crochet US turns into the same stitch. The popcorn stitch can consist of different stitches. It doesn't have to be created just using the treble crochet UK turns or double crochet US turn stitches. Also, you can use many variation of stitches to work together by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The popcorn stitch has a bubble on top in comparison to the cluster stitch or bubble stitch. After completing 5 treble crochet UK turns or 5 double crochet US turns, drop loop from the hook, insert your hook into a stitch, first stitch of 5, pick up the loop you dropped, pull it through, and I like to work one chain extra to secure a popcorn stitch. Now we're going to look at bubble stitch. For 5 treble crochet UK turns or for 5 double crochet US turns, work 5 crochet stitches into the same stitch, leaving the last loop of each on the hook. Yarn over into a stitch, pull once, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Keep 2 loops on a hook, yarn over into the same stitch, pull once, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, keep 3 loops on a hook, yarn over into the same stitch, and repeat this pattern till you have 6 loops on the hook. When you have 6 loops on the hook, yarn over and draw through all 6 loops. If you work into your next stitch with 1 single crochet US turns or 1 double crochet UK turns, you create a more round bubble. The bubble will be on the other side. But if you need bubble on your face side, secure with 1 stitch and work 1 treble crochet UK or 1 double crochet US. Now bubble on this side. The bubble stitch as well as a popcorn stitch can consist of different stitches. It doesn't have to be created just using treble crochet UK turns or double crochet US turns. Also you can use many variation of stitches to work together by 3, by 4, by 5, 6 and 7. In the pattern description, bubble stitch usually has a straight line in comparison to the popcorn stitch. Bubble puff stitches also could call as cluster stitches. And last stitch we're going to look at puff stitch. Puff stitch is created by using half treble crochet UK turns or half double crochet US turns. Yarn over into a stitch, pull once, keep 3 loops on the hook, yarn over again into the same stitch, keep 4 loops on the hook, yarn over again, keep 5 loops on the hook, and repeat required amount of stitches. It could be as little as 2 and as many, for example, as 8 half treble UK turns or half double US turns. The finishing method exactly the same as a bubble stitch. Pull yarn through all the loops and tie it with 1 extra stitch. If you use double crochet UK turns or single crochet US turns between those stitches, it will make them pop up a little bit more and will make fabric more tight in comparison if you use some taller stitches. The best thing is to play around with stitches and see how fabric changes if you use different variation. Thank you for watching. I hope you've had great experience. For those who are new to my channel, if you'd like to see more videos in the future, please subscribe to be notified when I add a new video. Enjoy your day or evening, and I will see you soon.